What's going on, crypto traders? We're here today with Treasurium.ai. If any of you are traders on Coinbase, thinking about becoming traders or experienced traders, let's take a look. If you're tired of going through crypto websites and just going through all of these charts and trying to understand them, and you just want to get information in a very humanistic way, well, this is what is for you. Our Coinbase AI agent here with a Telegram interface. You can see here through n8n. We'll activate it. You can test it out here. Let's say maybe today I just want to know, what is the price of Ethereum? What is the current price of Ethereum? What is the current price of ETH? Instead of me having to look up all those different charts. Boom, here we go. The price today for ETH. Last price is 45.12. Okay. You can see the order book, 45.12. It's about the average. If you want to look at what was the price of ETH this morning and what was the change from now. So if we want to basically get this information, instead of going there trying to figure it out ourselves, look at other places, boom, here we go. The morning price was 4,600. Current price is 45. It was a change of 1.96%. So instead of you having to go look at the charts, try to calculate that yourself, you can access your own Coinbase AI agent and get real-time answer questions on the exchange or different cryptos that are trading on Coinbase. Thank you, like and subscribe, and look forward to see more of our videos. Crypto AI agents in 10 business days. Welcome to day 1 of our series, 10 crypto AI agents in 10 business days. Each day, we build a new exchange agent. By day 10, you know the difference between a dumb bot and a real AI agent that thinks and acts for you. The foundation of a fully autonomous trading system. Fetches data, reasons over it, and decides what to do next. This series is the roadmap from reactive bots to agents that can trade on autopilot while you sleep. Today, we start with Coinbase AI Agent. This agent connects directly to Coinbase, pulls live prices, candlestick data, order books, and trades, and delivers clean insight straight into Telegram. Okay, so let me show you how to get started. So today, we're going to assume that you've already was able to go to the n8n template website. Here you can see Don the Gym Dealer. You can find under here, it will be listed as one of the templates under here. You can also come here and then download it and install it. So let me show you how you can set this up. If we look into here, the basis is going to be Telegram, which is going to connect to. Here we're going to put in your actual user ID to make sure that once you create this bot, only you can access it. So let's get this set up. Okay, so first thing we want to come to do is, you can also look link in the description, and also another video I have on getting a crypto for Telegram, getting an API code. Actually, I'll just run through it real quick with you to show you here on screen. They basically go to Telegram. Okay, there we go. There's different bots. And you go to Botfather here, and very simple. Create bot. So let's name it, because we're doing Coinbase AI agent. There we go. then for the name, we have to end this in bot. So we're just gonna keep this here, paste that, underscore, add bot, underscore, underscore. It's available. Boom. Let's go. Actually, let's add a quick picture into here. Actually, I grabbed the Coinbase logo earlier that we can use. Okay, Coinbase. Create bot. Once the bot is created, you see here, we can hit copy. You're gonna have a secret key. Just copy that there. Then we can move this back over. Move back in a second. Come here to your Telegram. See here it has one in it because I already set it up. But here, create new credential. Then you see Telegram. You want to paste that code that you got earlier into there. And let's put in here Coinbase AI Agent. Okay. Coinbase AI Agent. There we go. Save. You see it light up green. Boom, successfully connected. Okay. So we want to put it here. Now we also going to want to put it here. We need to make sure we choose the same one, Coinbase AI Agent, here on both ends. Now the key is here we need to get this. Here you're gonna see you need to replace with your own Telegram ID. Now how you're gonna do that is you're going to hit execute here. You're gonna come back to Telegram. Actually go to where we've received the bot message start. Make sure you see it'll send here. When it sends a message, it'll reject because there's no name in it right now. Stop this here. But here now we can pull this and we can actually see what is the chat ID. It's here. So we want to just copy that chat ID over. And then you're going to want to replace it here. Boom. Once you have that replaced, all you need to do. Now it is fully connected and you can begin to collect data off of Coinbase. You have an agent that can interact with Coinbase Exchange and pull data. So let's try it out. So we can show you. What's price of Ripple and the K lines for the 15-minute last 20? Okay, hit here so we can get some information. You're going to see the agent is going to connect to the APIs, is going to collect that data, interact with the exchange, and bring that data for us. Now, what we're going to do in the long term is, remember, we're going to build an automated trading system, which like we were talking about is different from bots using AI agents because they can actually think about what's going on. So here, what you're going to see is the reply back here is the point of this Coinbase AI agent is to be able to collect data directly from the Coinbase exchange and to interact with that. What is the price of Ripple and the K lines for the 15-minute for last 20? So we can see here the Coinbase spot data, 2.98, the mid, currently right now. This is just one way to get some information, but you can queue it. So now what it's gonna do is, since we've set it up with this AI agent, it can interact with the APIs from the Coinbase exchange. And instead of you having to, for example, come to Coinbase here, right, and looking at the different prices and trying to understand the different charts, like you see here, coming what are the top gainers, getting access to that information. What you're going to be able to do instead is you're going to be able to use Telegram to communicate and pull data. Let's try another data set. Activate this again. You see here I'm doing it in test mode. When you fully want to activate it, you just want to get it set up, turn it to inactive, and then you can just keep asking it questions. Okay, it'll just be ready as your little Coinbase AI agent assistant, giving all the most up-to-date information in real time on what's going on with the Coinbase exchange. Now, like I mentioned, the bigger goal is to build an automated trading system, but the first step to that is to be able to get data reliably and how you want to collect that data. Okay, so let's see, what about the 24 hours of price is that for let's say Ether, for ETH. Okay, boom, we go again. We can ask for the 24-hour price stats. The AI agent is going to go and it's going to get that for us. So here we go. It opened in the last 24 hours at 4,600, high of 46.72, low of 44.64. Okay, what was the last price and what was the volume for today? Now, if you notice here on this workflow, we also have a calculator, so you can ask it to calculate technical indicators. You can ask it to do whatever you want with that data. So you can be able to speak with it in a human way and interact with this Coinbase AI agent to collect data, figure it out, play with strategies, look at different opportunities. What we're going to do later on, after we get this 10-day series going, which we connect to the different exchanges, then we're going to use these different workflows in combination to do live fluorogramming to create an entire new agent for us to be able to use in this Web3 system. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos over the next 10 days, since we're releasing a video every day. So now you got to see in action. By day 10, you won't just have data agents. You'll understand how to chain them together into a portfolio brain that tracks all exchanges, strategy engine that plans trades, and eventually a fully autonomous AI trader running on autopilot with risk controls. That's business day one, Coinbase AI agent. Tomorrow we unlocked the new AI agent. Follow along for all 10, and by the end, you'll be ready to harness the future of AI-driven trading. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and follow us for more content.